Did you know you could create and share Microsoft Teams meetings with your students and colleagues right within Buncee? Hi, my name is Gabby, and today I'll show you how you can create and share those Microsoft Teams meetings within Buncee and then share them with your colleagues and students. So right up here next to the top, next to the Boards tab, is the Microsoft Teams icon. So that's what we're going to click on. Now, if we click on Generate, here we can create our own meeting. So we're going to click Create Meeting Link. And now, in this case, I'm a teacher and I want to create a Microsoft Teams meeting. I just want this to be office hours, so that way my students can join in and ask me any questions that they need to, and or just stop in to say hi and kind of stay connected while we're remote learning. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Miss Comanda's office hours. Okay, so now I can select a date and a time. Let's say I want to do Wednesday, and let's say I want to do maybe I want to do like 12:30 to 1:30, and then I'm going to click Create. And now my meeting has been created. Now I can copy this and share this wherever I need to. But if I click on Share with Students, I'm able to share directly with them. So in this case, let's say I want to share with my second graders. I can select one student or select all my students and then click Share. And now they all have that meeting invite. If I click on Scheduled Meeting down here on the end, I can see all of my meetings that I have created, and of course I can open them up here. If I click on Invite by Email, I'm also able to invite colleagues to this meeting as well, or to any of my meetings. I can just enter their email address and click Share and share it with them. And it's as simple and easy as that. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.